Hello everyone, my name is Sagar, and in this video we'll see how we can create release product. Now to create a release product, we'll go to modules, you can go to product, information and management, and then simply click on this release product. So my release product form is open now. I'll click on new. So here I will select the product type as item and I will give a name to my product. So you see all these are products. So similarly I'm going to create my own product. So I will say my product name is D365 product just for sample. And when I click on this particular button, you will see few things get auto populated here. You see the units are automatically coming, that is each. My item number is this. And now let me give a purchase price. For example, I'm going to buy this particular product at 95 and I will sell it around, let's say 100. I will keep 5 as my margin. And here let me select the item model group and let me select this as FIFO, and here I will select the item group. Let me say this as audio. Similarly, I will need to make sure I'm selecting the storage and tracking dimension group, and I want to keep this particular product a very simple level. So I'm going to select the tracking dimension as 9. So I will simply click OK. Okay, so you see now our product is ready and you can see the basic information. Here you can get the purchase related information, like when you will use this product in purchase order, then similarly for sales order, and if you want to and here this would be useful for your BOM, like when you do production, and similarly your warehouse transport, and all the information will be available here. If in case you want to change something here, you can select this option. Let me validate this product, and you see this product is getting validated. It means this product is now good to use. Now if you see, we have just created this particular product, but if you will check the on-hand inventory of this product, you will get nothing here because we haven't done any transaction, any inbound or outbound transaction for this product. So that's why currently our on-hand will be empty. So in our next video we'll see how we can add some data here. Thanks for watching this video.